Did you know GameStop has decent deals on PC parts right now?
I had no idea how I ended up here, but there's a 6700 XT for just under $400. SSDs, power supplies, processors, decent gaming monitor. Heck, you can even buy a motherboard, although there's no real deal on that one.
The only thing I don't see is a case, but you could feasibly build a PC at GameStop, which is kind of weird.